I've been asked this question many times about, am I a bit of a loner? Because I don't always like to go out. Well, I used to when I was younger at university, but not so much now. And I don't mix a lot with family as well, like going to family functions or visiting people. And I spend a lot of my time indoors, a bit like a hermit. I mean, I am working hard, but I do spend a lot of time indoors. And people do ask the question about, are you a bit of a loner? Don't you quite understand the work life balance? You're always working. Why don't you get out and meet more people? For most of my life, from a very, very young age, growing up, teenager, even a little bit in university, not so much because I did used to go out, but especially when I became an adult, working in the NHS and throughout my adult lifestyle, and even now. Not that I don't like mixing with people, it's that I like to look at what do I get out of it. And that might sound a little bit selfish, but the way I see things is I value my time and what I do. And I know I talk about this with regards to a lot of you as web designers and developers, and how you don't want to waste your time with clients or people that are just sucking up your time. They want you to give them proposals and tell them how to fix their website, and you're not really getting anything out of it. You want to stay away from that. But if I spread that widely, I would go as far as saying that even with friends and family and people I come across, if I don't feel like I'm getting something out of it, I don't really feel like I want to waste my time. Now, some people will say, but it's good to be sociable. It's good to go and visit people, to sit with them. You never know how long you have until they're gone. I flip that the other way. I don't know how long I've got either. Now, again, people will question that and they will say, yeah, but you're still quite young. So and so is maybe 80, 90 years old. And if you don't go and meet them, you may regret it. I flip it the other way. I look at things in my life now. I'm nearly 47 years old. In about 2 months' time, I'll hit 47. There's many things I wish I had done differently, or I had done when I was younger, or even now, that I regret. And I look at my life like that. I feel like if I was to go visit people or I attend a meeting, I mean, this is very true with when I was in the NHS. You would go to a meeting because you were told to go to a meeting and it felt like a meeting for meeting's sake. How many of you have been in that scenario? And you just feel absolutely ultra like wasted and useless sat there like, what are you really getting out of this meeting? So I feel like I could go shopping with someone. I could go and drive down and visit them. And even just going to visit someone, because people always say, don't they? Hey, just come round, even if it's just for 5, 10 minutes. It's never just 5 or 10 minutes. May spend an hour or so getting ready and traveling down there. You may end up sitting for about half an hour. I mean, you got to travel back. And I always find that I can't help thinking, even when I'm watching a movie, sometimes there's things chugging away in the back of my mind with regards to I need to get that wall plastered. I need to do something for the cats. I need to record a few videos. There's a client waiting on me. I need to find a solution for a plugin. Maybe I want to learn another skill. I need to go and get the car washed. It's raining right now, but I still need to get it washed at some point. There's loads of things I want to do in my life and I want to achieve. The garden needs mowing. Haven't mowed that for a couple of weeks because it's been very sunny and the grass hasn't grown much, but it still needs to be mowed. There's all these little things. And I feel like sometimes I'm going from one task to another. And if I start to take a lot of time out from working and I do go and visit people, or I do go shopping, or I do ring someone up and I go, hey, I heard you have a headache. How's your head? Sometimes my mum does ring me up to tell me that someone is not well. And I always feel like, what's the point of me ringing them up? So I always say that I prefer to value my time because I want to know I get the most out of it. Because I like to know that today, tomorrow, next week, I want to achieve X, Y, Z. I want to know I hit all of those milestones. And if I find out that I'm late, and of course, you can always pick things up. All right. And I know some of you are looking at this and shaking your head and going, God, this guy talks a lot of crap. But if I know I did not hit a milestone because I took time out to go and talk to someone or go visit someone or do something, and I lost out on getting something done just because I went and did what someone else wanted me to, and I didn't really enjoy it, like I just sat there, what were the conversations about? Did I really feel like I learned or adapted or whatever? Did it move the needle? Or was I just there? Was I just another face in the crowd? And unless the conversation was interesting, unless I got something out of it, and don't just say, yeah, but you get fed. No, I could get fed at home as well. I can get Pepsi Max at home. 9 times out of 10, when I go anywhere, they don't have Pepsi Max. Or if they do have Pepsi Max, it's like warm, lukewarm. It's not even ice cold. That's the worst thing. Oh, yeah, here you go. I got you a Pepsi Max. And you go, it's lukewarm. This is not cold. But you go, the conversation's not great, or you don't learn something. Or, I mean, look, if I want to go watch a movie, whether it's at the cinema or Netflix or Amazon or Apple Prime or whatever, right? Apple Prime, Apple TV, Amazon Prime. But if I'm invested or engaged or I want to watch it, I don't mind. Because you could say, but you're losing time. Not really, because I'm watching it to feel enjoyment. But when you go somewhere or you meet people or do things and you don't really enjoy it, you weren't really engaged, you didn't really come out of it smiling, singing, and dancing, that for me is a waste of time. And I value my time immensely. And the bit of advice I want to give a lot of you who want to do stuff, you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to make your web design business better, you want to make your shop sell more products, you want to do something, you can if you start to get rid of all of the things you currently do that are a waste of your time. Now, there will be things you need to do. Like sometimes I might need to take my son to school. I wish I didn't have to always do that. Sometimes maybe it's raining and I've got to drive him to school. That's different. I'm not enjoying it, but I know he won't get wet and I've got to go and drop him off at school. But that's different. That is something you got to, you just got to get on with it, okay? But if someone says to me, hey, Imran, do you want to come round? We're going to have a get together. Unless I really want to join in that get together and I know I'm going to have fun or enjoy myself, or I feel like I'm going to come out of it feeling, yeah, that was quite good, I can't be bothered. Does that make me a loner? No. It just means I think more about what I do with my time. Maybe you should too.